Maria sits at the big table. It is Sunday dinner. The table has food, bread, soup, and a big salad. The room is warm and bright. Her mother cooks the food. Her father sets the plates. They smile and talk. The family likes to eat together every Sunday. Maria looks at her family. She sees many people. Some are tall and some are short. Some are old and some are young. Her brother Tom is tall. He is very tall and strong. He helps carry the table and the big dishes with a smile. Her sister Anna is short. She is small and quick. Anna laughs a lot and runs in the garden with the little dog. Grandma is old and kind. She sits in a soft chair. She tells stories about the past and she gives warm hugs. Grandpa is old too. He likes to read the newspaper. He drinks tea and listens to the children when they sing songs. Maria is 10 years old. She likes to draw and read. She sits next to her mother and helps pass the bread. Her little brother Leo is 5 years old. He is young and funny. He plays with his toy car under the table. Uncle Mark is tall and loud. He tells jokes and makes the children laugh. He likes to play the guitar after dinner. Aunt Rosa is short and calm. She cooks with Maria's mother. She makes a sweet cake and gives small pieces to the children. Cousin Nina is 12 years old. She is tall and quiet. She likes to paint and she helps Maria with homework. Cousin Ben is 8 years old. He is small and fast. He likes to play soccer in the park with Tom and Leo. Maria talks about feelings. Tom is brave and kind. Anna is happy and loud. Leo is curious and playful. Nina is calm and smart. Grandma is gentle and wise. Grandpa is funny and patient. Uncle Mark is friendly and loud. Aunt Rosa is sweet and helpful. The family talks about the week. They share small stories. They talk about school, work, and the new cat in the street. Maria helps her mother. She sets the forks and spoons. She pours water for the children and smiles at Leo. They eat soup and bread. They eat salad and rice. They share the cake and say thank you to the cooks. After dinner, they sing a song. The children clap and laugh. Grandpa plays a small tune on his old radio. Maria feels happy. She looks at the faces around the table. She feels safe and loved with her big family.